Yeah, I suppose you should make yourself semi-redundant within a business. I mean, some people hold on to the CEO role, or they want to stay as the founder role. That might be their key role. But I suppose as you bring more and more staff on, more and more stuff gets done. So it makes you have a smaller and smaller role within the business. So last year, maybe even the year before, I decided that the CEO role wasn't right for me. It meant I was having to do a lot of stuff that I didn't really get excited by. So we brought in a CEO to do the role. So I had to give up quite a lot of responsibility. Some people want to keep hold of that, but I actually wanted to give it up because I felt that my skill set was best suited to doing marketing. And so I took on the CMO role. And so I think that I'm very good at brand and marketing, but less good at HR and legal and finance and operations, those types of things. And so yes, there is an argument that you're going to get a smaller and smaller role, but plenty of other people you still need a sort of figurehead or a brand leader within the business that people can do interviews with, or they can come and speak to, which is a spokesman for the business. And there's no better person to speak to than the founder, because they're the one that knows it as well as possible. So I think it's really key that that person stays within the business. There's some companies where there isn't that. They're sort of faceless corporations, but I think if you can put a name to a company, I think that can help. So I don't think founders should worry too much about losing responsibility. The more you can give up, the more you can dedicate it to the areas in which you think you're really good at.